1 ounce of practice is worth 1,000 pounds of theory. Imagine a career where you are the heartbeat of every building, ensuring comfort and air quality in homes, offices, hospitals, and beyond. The HVAC industry is on the rise. According to a recent article by MEP Center, the HVAC sector in India has seen a 40% increase in career opportunities over the past 5 years, with an anticipated 34% further growth by 2025. This growth is driven by rising construction activity and the increasing need for energy-efficient systems, creating a high demand for qualified HVAC technicians. As an HVAC technician, you'll be a vital part of this booming industry. You'll master the skills needed to install, maintain, and repair cutting-edge heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. At Skill Development Institute Bhubaneswar, we offer an immersive, hands-on learning experience. The training will cover starting from domestic use window and split AC to central AC system like VRF and chiller plant-based air conditioning plant. Our state-of-the-art labs and experienced instructors ensure you gain practical, real-world skills. Experience best-in-class infrastructure that sets new standards. Our fully residential campus features separate hostels for boys and girls, an academic block, workshop, recreation block, open-air theatre, sports ground, faculty block, staff dormitory, auditorium, admin block, and guest house. Enjoy state-of-the-art facilities like smart classrooms, Wi-Fi access, and a digital learning platform. With the nationwide demand for HVAC expertise, skilled technicians are always in high demand. STI Bhubaneswar will assist in the placement of our students, boasting a remarkable 92% placement rate in our other course offerings. Join us and be a part of a transformative learning journey. Enroll in our HVAC course and step into a future full of possibilities. Ready to start your career as an HVAC technician? Visit our website, follow us on social media, or contact us today to learn more and enroll. Your future in the HVAC industry starts here.